Remember, shareholders are owners of corporations. They are not the managers. Shareholders have certain rights and certain liabilities, and we are going to discuss some of them in the subsequent videos. First, you need to understand that the main roles of shareholders, owners of corporation, is to elect directors. And yes, directors and board of directors is the body, is a nerve center, is a decision-making body for corporations. And yes, they can execute their decisions to officers, and officers meaning CEOs, CFOs, and the rest. Okay? So first thing first, shareholders appoint directors to the board of directors, and that is a critical function they have. And they also can approve certain fundamental changes to the corporation. For example, a proposed merger, dissolution, amendments to the articles of incorporation. And usually, in order to be able to make decisions, shareholders need to have quorum. And quorum generally is a majority of outstanding shares that they have to be present in a meeting to be able to vote to appoint directors. Corporations have annual meetings, and in annual meetings they typically appoint directors. They can also have special meetings, and special meetings happen when, let's say, there is a vote on a merger or a proposed amendment to the articles. And the way that typically voting works, especially in public corporations, is through proxies. So you can actually sign a form and say, delegate this voting capacity at a meeting to somebody else, and it usually is revocable. But if it accompanies some sort of money, it becomes irrevocable. There are also other ways of voting. Voting trust, that shareholders transfer the certificates to a trustee. There can be shareholder voting agreements that are contracts between two or more shareholders to vote in a specific way. And these are various ways that shareholders vote. But remember, shareholders' main task is to vote for board of directors. But that means that there is a separation of ownership of corporations and control, which those who actually run the corporation are different from those who own corporations. And that is a very important feature for corporations. Thank you.